Hey everyone, welcome to 2025. This year we are saying no to urgent 2K. Instead of begging, let's start making money, and one easy way to start is by learning DIY skills. It's not all about working hard, but also working smart, and that can bring us extra cash. One of the simplest things you can make and sell is liquid soap. With just 4,000 naira, although depending on your location, but here in Abuja, with just 4,000, 4,500, we can produce 10 liters of liquid soap and resell it for profit. Just think about it. Why buy when you can make and even sell? By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, or maybe today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button. Let's keep learning and pushing ourselves. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Now let's talk about the soap production process. But before we start, let me give you guys a very important tips. Before production, soak all your chemicals. I always advise that before you start making your soap, you should soak some of your chemicals at least 1 hour before production. The chemicals to soak include something like SLS, the one that looks like rice, soda ash, caustic soda. I know you might be wondering why soaking them instead of start your production. It helps them dissolve properly before you start mixing. That way you won't waste too much time stirring. And trust me, if you don't soak them first, you might develop muscle pains from the whole turning. Plus, if you want that clean, transparent, shining liquid soap, these steps is very important. Now let's start making the soap. First, pour your Nitrosol into a bowl that you are using for your production. If it is 10 liters, 25 liters, just pour your Nitrosol into it and stir very well until it dissolves. This helps thicken your soap. Next, add your soda ash, which you must have soaked before now. Like I said earlier, it is advisable you soak some of your chemicals before you start production to avoid developing muscles. Then, next step, add your STPP. This helps make your soap more effective in cleaning. Stir very well. Now add SLS. This helps your soap form properly. Remember to stir very well so it blends with other ingredients. Next one, add your Texapon. This helps improve the soap cleaning power. Mix it very well. Then pour in your caustic soda, which you must have soaked earlier, like I said, and mix it properly. Add your foam booster to make the soap bubbling and foamy. Now, for preservation, add formalin solution. Depending on, some people likes to use salt, but like I said, formalin is okay if you want to use it for washing clothes. Salt is not good for washing of clothes, so use formalin. This helps the soap last longer. Finally, add your color, your desired color, and add your perfume to give the soap a nice look and fragrance. Stir everything together. One last time. Once you are done, allow the soap to settle for a few hours so all the chemicals can mix properly before scooping it out. Our advice for you to leave it for some hours before trying to scoop them out, so all the chemicals, like I say, will marinate each other. Okay, and that is it. Your liquid soap is ready. All the ingredients, their measurements will be listed in the caption, so make sure you check them out. Now tell me, why keep spending money buying liquid soap when you can make your own and even sell it? You can even, if you have a contract of someone getting married, birthdays, you can just even suggest to the person for you to make the liquid soap as a souvenir for them. See, this 2025 is not all about just working hard. We need to work smart also. We need to work smart. Yes, I have produced liquid soap more than 5 times. I can't remember, but I know I've produced more than 5 times. Since I got to know how to make liquid soap, I stopped buying store-bought, store-owned. And you too, you can do it, not just for your personal use. You will use it to make money. So, if you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share this video. Help my channel to grow. At least it is not easy to give all the insights of anything DIY. Some people used to gatekeep, but here we don't gatekeep. There's no need to gatekeep. We need to grow together. And if I'm growing, you too, you are growing. So let's just help ourselves to grow together. Subscribe to my channel, please, and put on the notification button for more easy DIY tutorials. Let's make 2025 a year of making money, not begging for urgent 2K. See you in my next video. Bye. You can see how transparent, how luscious, how sweet my soap looks. Anyways, this particular soap gave me these 25 liters you are seeing because I bought chemical for 25 liters and it is still remaining inside the bowl like you saw. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.